Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Alyssa Joyner, and I have this YouTube channel just to do whatever I feel like on it. Pretty much. And I'm sorry that there's that little black thing there, because this is like I'll show you at the end what my camera's sitting on right now. Because, well, not my camera, my phone. I got this cute little thing. I took it out of its package. It's to make fluffy slime. And I thought it was so cool, I just couldn't keep it to myself. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix the camera here. Whew. And I thought I would kind of share it with you. So, fluffy glue. Interesting, I didn't know there was a specific glue for fluffy slime. So we have these colored ones. Oh, it looks like you can like stamp it in the slime. That's the same with that one and all of these. We have a little poop in the corner. We have some sprinkles. We have some foam balls. Some what looks like real chocolate. And some of these. Now okay, they're all little molds. Wait, hold on. I know we're not even started into the video, but oh my. Oh. So I'm gonna worry about that later, because this is actually kind of hard to do, but I think that's what it's meant for. You know what? We'll get back to that part later. No need to figure it out now. So we're gonna start it. Here's the instructions. Let's choose our color. I'm gonna go with well, it looks like green. I'm not necessarily sure. And I'm probably going to put it in this heart, surprisingly. And the other half to this heart is I have no idea where. You know what? We might just put it in. Oh, here it is. Here's the other half. There's a little piece of it. We're going to put as much as we can in there. I doubt it will all fit, but yeah. So I imagine we'll need this. Then I'm just playing around with it. I haven't even read the instructions. Then I assume this is some sort of activator. There's a little mixing stick. And this is like a measuring cup for medicine. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah. So we're gonna scooch this out of the way. Bye-bye. And move all of this stuff to center. And I have a little mixing bowl because there's not a bowl to mix that up in. So the instructions say, cover your work surface with paper towels or newspaper. Have this towel. Sorry, I got lost. Okay, sorry, I'm reading in my head, so I read the first step, and it said pour this whole entire thing in it. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a light, pretty much white, and then it goes into that dark green. Okay. Have some scissors in case they were needed. Now I'm gonna have to cut a bit deeper. Ooh, there we go. That looks really weird on the inside. Let's put this, it said pour into the bowl, more like just push it. It's like a solid. It's kind of gross looking. So I'm just kind of opening it back up with my bare hands. Ew. You know what? I'm gonna have to wash my hands. And I'm just gonna keep squeezing. Give me a second. Okay. So I finished washing my hands, and now what I'm gonna do is just go like this. I need to wipe off the top of this because it's a little dirty. This is not cooperating. You know what? I'm gonna get as much out as I can. You know what? I bet that's enough. Hopefully. So, I'm gonna throw this away. Okay. There is that fluff pouch thing. That looks pretty gross in my opinion, but it might turn out good. So the next step was to put this activator in the bowl, and it said 20 to 25. We're gonna start off with 20. If I can get this lid off, wow. This is a tough lid. You know, I'm gonna get the stick and just poke a little hole. Just to get me started on it. I'm gonna get something because I don't want to get whatever this activator is on my hands until the slime's ready. Got some gloves because not knowing what the activator is kind of freaky. So until this is all together, I didn't really want to touch it with my hands. Just in case if something bad were in it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 20. Got 20, now I'm gonna pour it into our bowl. Now I'm gonna read the next step. I mean, it wasn't that big of a surprise. I kind of knew this is what you're supposed to do, but it was mix it with this stick. I love when they come with sticks because
Then you don't have to waste any silver, like if you don't have any plastic silverware. And that's good because then you don't have to do dishes or something. However you work that out at your house, but I don't know what happened. Maybe this was a little, 20 was a little too much because we didn't get that whole entire packet in there. But I'm sorry, I just couldn't. That was just really hard for me. This is a really weird color. Because I don't know if you see that, but it's like white and green. And so, taking my gloves off. And I'm gonna start. Ooh, that actually doesn't feel too bad. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm gonna just walk around to make sure. Okay. Now that I'm kneading it, it's actually starting to become something. Like a color at least. And it's not too bad. It's just a little bit sticky. It's like a really light seafoam green, and I don't think that's what it looks like on camera. Let me look. There's the color. On camera, it looks a lot lighter, like almost a baby blue. This is really stretchy. I'm gonna try to get all the extra slime in the bowl. And everything, and ooh, this feels really nice. This is a really nice slime. Feels really nice. Okay, this is really good. I'm gonna clean up my work area, and then I'll be back with what sprinkles I'm gonna add into this fluffy slime. Hello, and we're back with this slime. And it turned out like really good. And if you're sitting right here playing with this, it's so addicting. It's so soft and stretchy. And listen, ready? Looks like peppermint to me. And my favorite ice cream is like the peppermint one. So I'm taking what looks like little chocolate bits, and I'm going to put it in here. Okay, got most of them. Don't you just want to eat that? Don't. On the instructions, I'll pull it out in a second. It actually says, do not try to eat not edible. Here, I'll try to find it. It says, don't forget, it's not edible. Sorry, don't try to eat it. Yes. proof right there that nor the sprinkles or this ice cream looking slime is edible. And I'm almost for certain this is like supposed to be an ice cream thing because the box before it was destroyed, it looked like ice cream. And I don't know, but you should smell this. It smells like peppermint ice cream, which I love. Don't you just want to eat it though? It's like all I can do is not eat it, but all I want to do is eat it. So on the box, it kind of looks like this. Oh gosh, oops. And that already looks bad. Here, I'm gonna try to do a natural swirl. Ready? It's gonna be bad. I bet you it's gonna be bad. Oops. Sorry, I bet you can't see the swirl. No, it's gonna be, it's already bad. Oops. I can't do those swirl things. I don't know how people do that. Because I know I can't do it. This is like the best I can do. Just, there we go. I made a swirl. I'm gonna put it in one of the containers, but look at this. Here, I'm gonna have to do it here next to the camera. Isn't that just amazing? Just so you know, this is not sponsored for this brand. I don't even know who made it, but it is not sponsored. I just wanted y'all to see what it was like making this Kit Fluffy slime. And oh my gosh, it's amazing. Give me 1 second. Here it is. Cute, like, you don't understand how hard it is to get this to shut. I mean, it's not even, look at that. Yeah, well, that is the end of our video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me make this beautiful slime. Bye-bye.